So hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm back with a new video and today we have opposite color challenge. Yeah, so today I am drawing a very simple art and this challenge is about coloring more than drawing. So we will color the drawing very normal and then we will see the opposite color of each color we have selected and then we will color it again. Very much fun and very unexpected results, okay? And yeah, this is a kid's art, so don't blame me. I'm drawing very simple art, a rainbow and a tree and a house. I don't care. I just spend more time on coloring and finding the opposite colors. And yeah, I feel it's kind of cute and kind of simple. I need something colorful. I thought I will draw a face and the opposite colors, but I think no, I should color a landscape. Yeah, I have done a very big sun because the weather is so hot. And I have drawn a house and a very big one. It can fit the loud house. Yeah, this house can fit the loud house. 12 members. Don't be shocked, Lola. You can fit in here. Well, I feel yeah, quite good. I have added some flowers. Like I try to add as much as possible of what I can do. Yeah, so guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me and subscribe for more videos, and if you like this video or enjoy it, please press the like icon. Yeah, so quite happy with these results. I have used a lot of stickers in this video because these are not stickers actually, these are GIF, but I love a lot GIF. I love them a lot, and thank you for InShot including the GIF stickers. It's a new update, yeah, and I love them. Look at them, they are so much beautiful. Yeah, I've added a butterfly to make things go very good. So let's go to the coloring option.
A few moments later.
So this is the color wheel. So the yellow opposite purple, red, green, orange, blue. Let us see how we will color this amazing and beautiful piece. So this is the normal coloring and now the opposite coloring. Oh, that's the opposite coloring. Okay, I know this is miserable, but yeah, that is the challenge. Bye.